Hey everybody, Rick Cordoville here, CMO of DTEN, coming to you live from ISE 2022. One of the things that we're highlighting within our booth that we're really excited about is a new product that's coming out over the next couple of months, and this is the ONboard. So this is a dedicated device that is purposely built for Zoom's advanced whiteboard feature that was just announced a couple weeks ago. And this 55-inch display, 4K resolution, is set up to really help overall collaboration to the overall next level. So it can be used as a companion device within existing rooms, so you can have your video meeting going on and then this overall whiteboard solution on the side, or it can be used as a standalone device, so for smaller spaces like huddle rooms or focus rooms, so that a couple of people can start collaborating and brainstorming. So one of the things with the advanced whiteboard that kind of takes things to a whole nother level than what we were able to do previously is that you can do things like adding overall shapes to the screen, and then you can type in content within that, change colors of the overall text, or even to expand and start to connect ideas and thoughts. There's also the sticky note function, so that as you're brainstorming, you can easily add notes, easily move it around, and you can type in content within here as well. So this is taking collaboration to a whole nother level that we're super excited about. Because in classic whiteboard scenarios where it might have been affixed on the wall, you're hoping that the dry erase markers still work. Even after you're done with the collaboration session, you have to take a picture of that, send it around, and if someone has another idea after the fact, you have to somehow transcribe that whole whiteboard into another experience. But with the persistent canvas that the advanced whiteboard brings to the table, after the meeting, if you have a new idea, you can just pull up that whiteboarding session, easily add your overall thoughts, and then share that with all the meeting participants that you were just in the room with. So this is going to be coming out over the next couple of months. We think it just adds to our overall story around collaboration equity that we're trying to drive across organizations for employees and businesses. So go to ONboard/notify me to register and learn more information about this product when it comes out, and we're excited to release more information over the weeks to come. Thanks so much for watching.